Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do the mid-morning looking forward video here. Start off with the S&P. I'm going to quickly go through all the markets, show you where they're at, and then I'm going to go back to the S&P and identify exactly how I'm going to be trading that over the next probably, let's do one day to about a week, and depending on how the markets move. As you see here, the S&P is still holding above its 8-period moving average here, still holding really strong. And as you're going to see here in a second, majority of them are, except for one. So you see here, we're still holding above the moving average, but here in a little bit, I'm going to blow this up, and you're going to see we're right at the highs of the channel here. So moving forward to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is still holding its 8-period moving average here, but it has pierced it the last couple trading sessions, and we're kind of sitting right at it right now. We're kind of at that line in the sand of bullish and bearish, and on a smaller time frame, but nonetheless we're very close to being able to drop right down to this 21 period. The Dow here, you can see we're holding the 8 very nicely, just like the S&P, and the Russell holding right here, just like the S&P and the Dow, or S&P and the Dow are. So I'm going to go show you the S&P setups, because the S&P is, as a whole, it's kind of has a overall feel like the rest of the markets. Now, it has pushed higher, and the Dow is still not to all-time highs, and so on and so forth. But nonetheless, the structure of it and how I'm going to trade all of them pretty much are set up the exact same. So let me just move this chart a little bit bigger here so we can see it. And this is the S&P. What I see here going into today, and how we traded today, we need to zoom in here and look at what caused us to be semi-neutral today and somewhat just sit on our hands. I looked for 2 opportunities today, one in the Russell, one in the S&P, both of them to the short side. Both of them went really, really well, but I want to show you why I took them and why I think they were a little bit risky, but yet still enough to trade, just a little bit of an aggressive approach to them. Coming into today, we have this channel here. See these yellow bars? I know we got a lot on here, but these yellow bars are a channel. This is a longer-term channel that this market has been in to the upside for quite some time. What we're doing is we're getting ready to hit our head on the top of that channel now. Now there's a green line here you see too. That's also a fib. As you see the high low, you see we're pulling back here to this red line. This is actually the 50% pullback of this fib. So as it pulled back, it's now went on. We're real close to our targets. The first target here for this particular example from these lows is right here. We're literally within 10 points here of this entire move. We're within 10 points of that target. And now that target and the highs of the channel both come into play here at the same point. Something we noticed today, we're at resistance, as we just talked about. We opened up inside today's trading range. We opened up inside of Friday's trading range, so we had an inside day today. And our 2 shorts came as we were breaking the lows from Friday. So as soon as Friday's lows were broken, we were looking for short opportunities, one in the Russell, one in the S&P, and they were short-lived. They pushed back to the downside just to turn back to the upside and fizzle out, and now we're chopping sideways. So moving forward, what do I see? I have this 8-period moving average. I would love to see the market go ahead and take a little pause. We've been pushing up. We've been pushing up real nice. We need a little pause. So if it decides to come on and sell off below the 8-period moving average, I would look to sell it on down towards the 21 and down towards these previous highs here at the 46.50 that we've talked so much about in these videos. So moving forward, what do I see? If the market wants to roll over, I'm going to look for sell opportunities down below the 8-period moving average, taking profit down at the 46.50 or near these 21-period rise in support. 21-period exponential moving average. So if the market does want to take a break, I'm going to look for short side opportunities. If the market wants to push back to the upside, I'm going to wait to get above Friday's highs to get long again. I'm just going to be very skittish, because right now we're trading in this sideways, sloppy, choppy action. And as you see, we've really had no convicted follow through. ever since this thrust to the upside. We've had 1, 2, 3 dojis. We're almost creating a 4th doji in a row here. So I'm going to need to see it break through them highs before I get aggressively long. And then other than that, anything below the 8-period moving average, I'll look for shorting opportunities down to that support. So I hope this video wasn't confusing. I hope it was very clear on what I'm looking for here, guys, because this can help. This is what I'm going to be using going into tomorrow's trading room and later on in the week, looking for our opportunities here in the stock index futures. So I hope this helps, guys. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and email me, adam@directiontrader.com. If not, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good day.